Let's unbox this new KitchenAid. This is the classic, and I got it in black. I'm really excited about this. If you've never had a KitchenAid, it's totally worth the cost of them. They are a little pricey, but they last forever. I've never known a KitchenAid to break. They are so durable. Okay, so we've got this little sheet here, which tells you a little bit more about it. And then essentially, packaging, you just gotta lift it out. They are heavy. And lift. Okay. There we go. Nothing was left in that box. That is everything that came out. We do have a manual, so that's good. I'm just gonna pop these pieces off. There we go. The styrofoam does stick to this metal a little bit. And you're careful because you just notice this piece has the attachments in them right here. They just live right in there. So we don't want to lose those. So don't just forget about that on the styrofoam and throw them out accidentally. And then in the mixer, it already comes with the whisk element and then your registration card too. So really simple to unbox and pretty much ready to use right away.